Hello again, my precious. We are again on my channel and we continue studying Ukrainian. So today's topic is very interesting. It's adjectives in Ukrainian. Yes, we have come across this topic before, but these videos and the next there will be more concrete, more exact. Yes, and I hope you will learn a lot from them. So let's start. Prikmetnik, adjectives. So in this lesson we revise something about adjectives. We have talked about them in my previous videos, you can check, but here's some revision and maybe something new for you. It will be the big series of videos about adjectives, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel not to miss any other videos from the lessons of adjectives. So, zгадаємо. Let's revise. So, adjectives in Ukrainian are answering on the questions який, яка, яке, які. So, how, what kind of. Який grammatical masculine, яка grammatical feminine, яке grammatical neuter, які plural form. So they are describing a subject, the qualities of subject, the color, the form, the size, the taste, the mood of something. So adjectives, you know them. Let's revise some of them. Молодий, молода, молоде, молоді. Young. Новий, нова, нове, нові. New. Зелений, зелена, зелене, зелені. Green. Добрий, добра, добре, добрі. Kind. Теплий, тепла, тепле, теплі. Warm. Швидкий, швидка, швидке, швидкі. Fast. Високий, висока, високе, високі. Tall or high. Мокрий, мокра, мокре, мокрі. Wet. So you see all the endings, it's just nominative case. We will be talking about other cases of adjectives in other lessons. So adjectives have cases like nouns, and they are strongly connected with nouns because in what case is a noun that is used with this adjective, in that case is adjective. So we will talk about it a little bit later. So let's continue. So we have some endings. Here a table with endings of adjectives. So if the adjective is ending on the hard consonant, we have ending I in grammatical masculine, ending E in grammatical neuter, ending A in grammatical feminine, and ending E in grammatical in plural form. Like this: новий, молодий, маленький, гарний. New, young, small, beautiful, big. Великий. Yes. Нове, молоде, маленьке, гарне, велике. Нова, молода, маленька, гарна, велика. Нові, молоді, маленькі, гарні, великі. And it's when it's when adjective is finished on soft consonant, it has ending I. Синій, синя, синя, синя. Blue. And we have a group that is mixed. So here we have mixed endings I, eye, aya, I. And we talk about this nuance a little bit later. It's not so complicated as you think. Потренуємось. Let's practice. So here we have some adjectives: гарний, nice, старий, old, порожній, empty, гарячий, hot. So your task is to put the right endings according to the gender of a noun. So here we have the nouns, and some of them are in plural. If you want to revise the gender of a noun, how to find out which gender it is, just watch my previous videos about gender of nouns. I will try not to forget to put all the links and all the hints somewhere there with all the videos I mentioned here. So let's stop this video, try to do this exercise, and then we will check together. Відповіді, answers. So I have made this exercise for you. So let's check. Гарна вулиця. We have ending "a" because вулиця street is grammatical feminine. Гарне місто. Місто, city, is grammatical neuter, so we have ending "a" here. Гарні діти. Children, plural, ending "e". Гарна церква. Church, grammatical feminine, ending "a". Гарні квіти. Flowers, plural, ending "e". Гарне небо, again, grammatical neuter, so ending "e". Гарне море, grammatical neuter, ending "e". Гарна жінка, grammatical feminine, жінка, woman. Гарний концерт, concert, grammatical masculine, so ending "e". Гарні студенти, plural, ending "e", students. So it was with the word гарна, гарний, гарне, which means nice or beautiful. Старий, old. Again, старий велосипед, old bicycle, grammatical masculine, ending "e". Стара машина, grammatical feminine, ending "a", old car. Sorry, старі літаки, ending "e", because it's plural, old planes. Старе таксі, taxi is grammatical neuter, taxi, so old taxi, ending "e". Старий човен, old boat, човен, grammatical masculine, ending "e". Старі тролейбуси, trolley buses, plural, ending "e". Старе метро, metro, underground, ending "e", because it's grammatical neuter. Стара вантажівка, again, track, car track, it's ending "a", because it's grammatical feminine. Старий транспорт, old transport, grammatical masculine, ending "e". Старі кораблі, plural, ending "e". Порожній, empty. So we see that n soft sound, so we will have ending ya, ye, i here. Порожня каструля, empty pot, grammatical feminine, so ending ya. Порожній холодильник, it's grammatical masculine, ending "e". Порожнє відро, it's grammatical neuter, ending "ye". Відро, it's a bucket, холодильник, it's a fridge. Порожні тарілки, plural form, тарілки, plates, so ending "e". Порожній чайник, empty teapot, so "e", ending "e", grammatical masculine. Порожні пляшки, empty bottles, a plural form, ending "e". Порожня кружка, empty mug, ending "ya", because кружка is grammatical feminine. Порожня миска, empty bowl, grammatical feminine, ending "ya". Порожні блюдце, empty saucer, so grammatical neuter. Порожні банки, empty jars, grammatical plural, so we have ending "e" here. And гарячий, hot, Гарячий суп, grammatical masculine, ий. Гарячі канапки, grammatical plural, sorry, just plural. Гарячий чай, hot tea, grammatical masculine. Гаряча кава, hot coffee, grammatical feminine. Гарячі вареники, plurals, hot varenikis. Гарячі макарони, hot pasta, plurals. Гарячий шоколад, hot chocolate, grammatical masculine. Гаряча вода, hot water, grammatical feminine. Гаряче молоко, hot milk, grammatical neuter. Гарячий хліб, hot bread, grammatical masculine. So I hope all your answers were correct, and we are going to continue.
Буду проміння за пальці тримати, гарячі, як жовті вогні.
Потренуємося. So let's continue our practice. Here we have the questions, and let's write the answers to them. The questions of what kind or just what? Yes? What kind of magazines do you read? Які журнали ви читаєте? What kind of pen is on the table, or what color of the pen is on the table? Яка ручка лежить на столі? Які студенти сидять тут? What kind of students are sitting there? Яке повітря на дворі? What kind of air is outside? Який зошит він бере? What kind of copybook does he take? Яка лінійка є тут? What kind of ruler is here? Які олівці лежать там? What kind of pencils are there? Яке молоко я п'ю? What kind of milk am I drinking? Який будинок ти малюєш? What kind of house are you drawing? Яка квітка стоїть у вазі? What kind of flower is in the vase? So here we have the prompts. Український Ukrainian, червоний red, іноземний foreign, теплий warm, новий new, довгий long, кольоровий colored, свіжий fresh, красивий nice, beautiful, жовтий yellow. So, try to answer the questions and then we will check. Відповіді. Answers. So, I hope all your sentences are like that. Я читаю українські журнали. I read Ukrainian magazines. На столі лежить червона ручка. There is a red pen on the table. Тут сидять іноземні студенти. Here are the foreign students are sitting. На дворі тепле повітря. Outside the air is warm. Він бере новий зошит. He is taking a new copybook. Тут є довга лінійка. Here we have a long ruler. Там лежать кольорові олівці. There are colored pencils there. Я п'ю свіже молоко. I'm drinking fresh milk. Я малюю красивий будинок. I'm painting a beautiful house. У вазі стоїть жовта квітка. There is a yellow flower in the vase. So pay attention to the adjectives and where they are in grammatical masculine ending e, grammatical feminine ending a, and grammatical neuter ending a.
Життя красиве, коли кольорове.
Потренуємося. Напишіть запитання до прикметників. Write the questions to the adjectives. And here is the exercise which we are creating questions. So we have the sentences and we should use яка, який, яке. It depends on the gender of an adjective and a noun to write your own questions. So we have here the sentences. Студенти пишуть довгі речення. The students are writing long sentences. Він читає українські тексти. He is reading Ukrainian texts. Ми дивимося цікавий фільм. We are watching an interesting film. Мама готує смачне какао. Mama is preparing tasty Coco. Я маю старий підручник. I have an old textbook. Діти купують червоні яблука. The children are buying red apples. У нього є дорога машина. He has got an expensive car. Я люблю пити солодкий чай. I like to drink sweet tea. Ми читаємо свіжі газети. We are reading fresh newspapers. У нього темне волосся. He has dark hair. So, try to write a question like in the example. Яка ваза стоїть на столі? What vase is on the table? Try, and we will check in the next slide. So here we have the answers. And here are our questions to the sentences. Які речення пишуть студенти? What kind of sentences the students are writing? Які газети він читає? What kind of newspapers is he reading? Який фільм ви дивитеся? What kind of film are you watching? Яке какао готує мама? What kind of cocoa is mom preparing? Який підручник ти маєш? What kind of textbook do you have? Які яблука купують діти? What kind of apples children buy? Яка машина в нього є? What kind of car does he have? Який чай ти любиш? What kind of tea do you like to drink? Які газети ви читаєте? What kind of newspapers do you like reading? Яке у нього волосся? What hair does he have? What kind of hair or what color? So, you see that they're pretty the same. We just add які, який, яке, яка. And just put the noun about what we are asking. And then any order, a verb, noun, or again the verb subject or subject verb in any order you like. And we have a question here. So I hope it was easy for you. I hope you have understood the topic. Write me in the comments any questions you wish about it. I will explain more.
Яка ти козачка?
Який ти козак?
So this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have learned many interesting things. So if so, give this video a huge thumb up, share it with your friends, write any questions in the comments you wish to ask me. I will be glad to help you in learning Ukrainian. And let's see each other next Friday. Bye bye.